Hello everyone, this is David Doe again here, teaching you a lesson on list swaps today. A very powerful strategy to growing your Facebook. What I'm going to do in this video here is I'm going to first of all share with you what a list swap is. Then I'm going to show you how to do a list swap. This video is going to be followed by a series of videos on me actually doing a live list swap, and I'm going to be showing you how I do it and the result that is going to be coming from this actual live list swap. So I'm very excited and a little bit nervous at the same time as I don't really know what the results are going to be, but anyhow, let me go right into what a list swap is. First point is a list swap is a list building strategy to increase exposure on wall posts, news feeds, groups, and pages. And this is not only on your wall posts, news feeds, groups, and pages. This is your friends and your friends' friends and your friends' wall posts, news feeds, groups, and pages. As you know by now, Facebook, one of the biggest social media platforms in the world, and I think it is the biggest at this point in time of the game. But it can your messages and your business invitations can go viral really big, and all you need is to first and foremost build your list. Second point, a list swap is also known as a friend swap here on Facebook. Now, in the internet marketing industry in general, it's typically referred to as a list swap, where two internet marketers agree to do a list swap where they promote each other's products on each other's list. And that's how list swaps are normally conducted outside of Facebook. But since we're training you on how to market on Facebook, we're going to refer to also as a friend swap. Third point, a list swap is simply swapping friends with another friends by hitting the suggest friends button. I'm going to show you where that is in a minute if you don't know where that is. And number fourth point is the requirements for this is you should have at least 500 friends to conduct a list swap. And the reason why I make this a requirement is in today's world, or today's Facebook world, people are not going to really see you as a Facebook professional if you have less than 500 friends. And I show you how to build your friends list really quickly when you first start your Facebook page in another video. So I would suggest you going back to that video if you don't already have 500 friends. But either way, whether you have 500 or more or less than 500, stick with this video because you're going to get a lot of value into this and share with you how this is done. Now, how do you do a list swap? It's 3 easy steps. Step number 1, identify a qualified friend with the same range of friends, plus or minus 500. So basically what I'm saying is you're never going to find a friend that has the exact same amount of friends as you are that you're willing to do a list swap with. So I would suggest you finding a friend with more or less than 500 than you have. And in step number 2, ask them to do a list swap of all of your friends. So when you're doing a list swap, suggest all of your friends instead of just nitpicking and choosing which friends to suggest over to. I would suggest you and your friend agree to doing a list swap of all of your friends. And then number 3 is just going out there and doing it. And in my lessons, obviously, I keep going over and over again. Don't contemplate. Don't really think about it too much. Just follow the lessons and take action and do it. So these are the 3 steps. Identify a friend, ask the friend to do a list swap, and then number 3, just do it. This is what it's going to look like when you click the Suggest Friends button. But what I'm going to do here, I'm going to share with those of you that don't know where the Suggest Friends button, where it is. Here is one of my friends. I scroll all the way to the bottom of her list, of her page here on the left-hand side. There's the button, Suggest Friends. Every single friend has it. It's on the bottom of the left-hand column. Okay, let's get back to how to do a list swap. Once again, 3 easy steps. Follow the next few video series where I actually do a real list swap. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye-bye now.